Let's do a really hard LSAT question together. This is Prep Test 114, Section 1, Question 15, and it's a very difficult inference question. So you'll have some information, the stimulus, and then the answer will be defensible based on that information. Mystery stories often feature a brilliant detective and the detective's dull companion. So often is really important language here because it really only means some. It doesn't mean most. The reason why is that the word often is subjective. What's often to me might not be often to you, so we can't use it to mean 51 plus, right? Mystery stories sometimes have the structure of a smart detective and a dumb companion. Clues are presented in a story, and the companion wrongly infers an inaccurate solution to the mystery using these same clues that the detective uses to deduce the correct solution. So the clues might be, for example, 2 plus 2. And the companion is going to take 2 plus 2 and deduce 5, right? When our solution is really 4, and that's what the brilliant detective is telling us. So there's one set of clues that everyone is operating under, which is the companion, the detective, and the reader all have access to the same information. Thus, the author's strategy of including the dull companion gives readers a chance to solve the mystery while also diverting them from the correct solution, right? Because they've given us all the information that we need, and the detective is going to solve the mystery, but the dummy companion is designed to throw us off and have us really questioning if 2 plus 2 actually equals 5. So then we go to the answers, and we're going to rule them out based on what they talk about. So right off the bat, B, D, and E have to be out because they're in the minds of the readers, whereas the stimulus only includes information about the stories themselves. So you can't make decisions about what a reader's thinking or doing based on what the story does, right? So you're going to knock those out immediately. Now you're down to A and C, and you can rule out A solely based on the word most, because we know that mystery stories merely often feature this structure. We know it's not a most. So that's how you get rid of the other answers. Let's still discuss why C is a good answer. C says some mystery stories give readers enough clues to infer the correct solution to the mystery. Which stories are those? It's the mystery stories discussed in the stimulus. Why? Because we were all operating off the same set of clues, right? Me, you, detective, companion, all had the same information. And so yes, C is independently fantastic, but this is a really good example of when process elimination can be effective, because B, D, and E are out just on topic, and then A is too strong, so it's not defensible. I hope that helps. Good luck with your LSATs. You're all going to do amazing.